Hi, this is Ahmed with you from Mudir. In this video, we're gonna learn how to backup, restore, import, and transfer businesses. So here from the main menu, the upper tabs, we're gonna choose businesses and choose whatever business we want. For example, AFG. So we're gonna go up right and choose backup. Click on it. In the name, it will gonna be shown here is the name of the business. In addition to these options, you can choose from them, or you can choose them all, which are the attachments, the emails, and the history, which are saved with the data of this business. So we're gonna do the backup right now. In this case, we're gonna click backup, and now it's been downloaded to our computer. For example, if we will gonna need to import the business that we've done the backup, the first step is going to businesses again. Click on it, then click on add business, then import business. Okay, so we're gonna choose the file. This is the name of the file that we've done the backup. Then we're gonna choose it and click on open. Then click on import business. So here we go. We've imported or restored the backup data, which is in this date. In some cases, you need to shift from one computer to another, and you need backup in your manager. So all you need to do is download manager again, then go on to your account, and then do the same as import or restore business, which is add business, then import business, then choose the file, which is in this case, for example, the other file. We're gonna open it and click on import business, and this is the other backup that we've saved. And that's how you do backup, import, restore, and transfer business. This is Ahmed with you from Mudir. Thank you for tuning in. Take care and have a nice and productive day.